So this is the Kyo-Train, and it has seats that face forward, and also there's gardens like on the train. So here's the garden. So
we're currently on the Hep Five Ferris Wheel in Osaka.
Yeah, this Ferris wheel is quite cool. It goes up to 160 meters. It's very close to the station, Hankyu Umeda station, and it only costs, I think, 800 yen per person.
Yeah, but the view is amazing. It's lovely, and we're really looking forward to our stay in Osaka. We can feel that the vibe is very different here, and the style also. So I'm looking forward to going shopping.
The moment she said the word style, I knew she was referring to shopping. Arigatou gozaimasu. Stumbled on Pomme's, which kind of looks like a diner, like a Wendy's, and they serve Omurice. Viv's gone for a hamburger steak Omurice, and I've gone for beef stew Omurice.
It's good.
And the rice is like buttery. Yeah, it just melts like butter. This is like old school worker vibes. I don't know, it's definitely out there, it's definitely different.
Yeah, it's different.
The shirt's nice.
I love the shirt. Ooh! I think it's really cute. Show me the front. What do you think?
They're comfortable. I'm ready for school. Viv's trying to relive her childhood with some Tamagotchis.
I already have one at home as well. Same brand, but look at these designs, they're so cool.
What's that one?